Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Tony Live. My name is Tony, and today I will bring you to Iceland, a land of fire and ice. Our journey begins right on top of a glacier. Following the drone's camera, we are gliding along the different ice layers of the glacier. Beneath the ice, there are tunnels, lakes, and sometimes even fossils. This glacier is located in the icefield of Vatnajökull National Park, the largest national park in Europe. With an area of over 8,450 square kilometers and thickness ranging from a few hundred to 2,000 meters, this icefield is the third largest icefield in the world, right behind Greenland and Antarctica. A glacier is a body of dense ice that is constantly moving under its own weight, like a slow-flowing river. You can see a lot of dirt covering the clean ice on the right-hand side. Right now you can see a glacial lake, which is formed after the melting of the glacier. The sights of glacial lakes are mesmerizing. They often have different colors. Some are white, some are blue, while others are yellow. In Icelandic folklore, the water in glacial lakes are considered holy. Fairies bathe in there, and unicorns drink the water. That is why glaciers and glacial lakes have to be visited once during your lifetime. There are different natural resources in Iceland, with the most important one being geothermal energy. This is the reason why there are a lot of hot springs in Iceland. The most famous hot spring in Iceland is the Blue Lagoon. The blue color of the lagoon comes from silica, a type of mineral, and the way it reflects sunlight. Visitors from all over the world visit the Blue Lagoon, as it is rumored to have mysterious healing powers. This is the largest and most famous glacial lake in Iceland, Jökulsárlón. There are often seals in this lake, as the tides carry shoals of fish into the lagoon. You can watch them on the side of the lake or on a boat tour. This is the Atlantic Ocean. Iceland is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, so there are often violent winds and snowstorms. That's why the best time to visit Iceland is during the summer season from August to September. Thank you for watching this episode of Tony Live. Next episode we will look at the Lumiere Festival in Durham. I am Tony, and see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.